In front of me is our 8X Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add an audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Click on More at the bottom right one and select Audio. Now tap on your file that you wish to attach and click on this check mark at the top right corner. If you want to add a video one, select the same plus and this one choose Gallery section. Then click on your video. Mine is too big, but yours will be successfully added. Or if you can't find it here, select Gallery, look for it over here, click on it and tap on the check mark. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!